Hi guys, you're watching Beyond. In this video, we will see what is .NET. We all use computers everywhere irrespective to the type of OS on which we run. Further, these computers are used in areas like research and even in our home. However, the configuration of the system changes a lot. But almost all the applications, let it be a game, an accounting software, or a media player, few set of code remains the same. Before the introduction of .NET, the developers used to write that set of code to each and every application that they develop. Due to this, Windows and Microsoft created a set of code as a package, or in better words, as a framework. This framework will be installed as a default by the recent OS, but in the early days of the development, we used to install the framework. The framework will have the common set of code which is required by most of the softwares to run. This framework was called or named as .NET. This reduces the time of the developers to write the same code each and every time and similarly will be more effective. Generally, the .NET framework has three components in major. The first one is the Common Language Runtime (CLR). Then we have the Framework Class Library (FCL). And finally, ASP.NET. As said earlier, this comes as a pre-installed package, but however we can download any version we need. The version depends on the application we use. If you are using any latest software or play any latest game, then it may require the latest .NET framework. Further, the framework also depends on the OS we use. Windows 7 may have a low version and Windows 10 may have a higher version. If you are going to use a very old software in Windows 10, then we may get pop-out errors as the framework of the software will vary with the Windows. So at those times we must again install the .NET as per the software version to run it. Said all these, now let's see the major functions of the CLR, FCL and ASP.NET. The CLR is used to convert the managed code into a native code and then execute it. Native code in simple known as the mission code. This CLR acts as an interface between the OS and the applications that are in .NET language. The .NET has a combination of many languages. The FCL consists of a collection of reusable types such as classes, interfaces, and data types. This provides access to the system functionality. The FCL is a base for the controls and the components that are built in .NET. The ASP.NET works on top of the HTTP protocol and uses the HTTP commands and policies. This provides a bilateral communication between the browser and the server. ASP.NET is just a part of .NET and not a different thing. This is the basic and importance of .NET in our system. So do install the latest version if you haven't. This .NET is officially maintained by Microsoft. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon to get instant notification whenever I release a new video. Do share it with your friends and comment on what we need to do next in our upcoming videos. And don't forget to think big.